What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to buy Cardano on Trust Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly buy Cardano here. Well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Trust Wallet and basically access your account. Let's go and access our account here. Now in here, what we need to do is we want to go and choose the buy option, which is going to be at the top center here. Let's go and click on it. And from here, you can go and click on search at the very top here and just type in Cardano. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to go and choose Cardano here. And by the way, just keep in mind which chain that you want to buy the Cardano from. So, for example, if you want to use the Cardano network, go and choose Cardano here, or ADA that has Cardano network. Now, if you want to use BNB Smart Chain, go ahead and choose that. But for now, let's go and choose Cardano or ADA Cardano network. Now, from here, let's go ahead and specify a few things. So go ahead and specify the amount that you want to buy here. So it also should show you the amount of Cardano you may be receiving here, which in this case is going to be this much. Now you can go and click on the flag that you see at the top right here to change your currency and choose whichever currency that you want to be referencing from. But from here, you could also choose your payment method. So you could go and click on the payment method here. You can go and click on Google Pay here to either choose digital wallet, credit card, or bank transfer. Now you could also choose a provider here if you want to. Like for example, we have MoonPay, Mercurio, Transact, and Banksa. So they have their own conversion rate here. Go ahead and specify that what you want to do here. Also specify whichever way you want to pay here. But once you've done that and choosing chose the amount whatever way you want to pay for this, like for example, if you choose digital wallet and choose this one, you go and click on buy with digital wallet and it should redirect you to another platform, which in this case you should be able to open up the platform for it and just complete the purchase process. Now depending on the platform that you'll be choosing, the step itself may are going to be really different. They might ask you to verify your identity by providing some form of ID or identification here. So go and complete that and you should be able to buy your Cardano. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.